Well, we had snowfall across the region. You can see a lot of different colors showing up on the radar, but for us across the UP, it was all blue, and that indicates snow, and we'll continue to see some light snow as this is beginning to push out of here. Our winter weather advisory expired early. Not going to be seeing any more of the very dangerous conditions that we were expecting all the way to 7 p.m. They decided to expire that a little bit earlier around 5 p.m. today. But seeing that, the snow starting to make its way northeastward. Farther to the south, they are seeing some more of that snow, even closer to Traverse. Maybe even some light mixed precipitation, but for us, expecting things to really cool off as we head into the evening with more of that Arctic air arriving. Here's a look at your current conditions. 25 degrees, west-southwest winds currently at 9 miles per hour. The snow still falling for us across Marquette, and we are at 23 for us here into the region. But off to the west, seeing more of the lower 20s, 21 in Ontonagon, 25 in Ironwood, 24 in Florence, and farther off to the east, lower 20s in Munising and in Manistee, upper 20s in Escanaba, and for us in Ishpeming, we are at 23 degrees. Your winds are coming in from the south at 12 in Houghton, 7 in Marquette, and at 11 in Munising, but heading into the rest of the evening, seeing more of that west-northwesterly flow, and that's going to help to usher in that new Arctic air mass that we will be feeling not only as we head into the night, but it looks even as we head into Wednesday and Thursday. Highs look to dip that back down into the single digits for a few of us, and current temperatures across the entire state. Farther south, 28 in Alpena, 38 all the way down in Flint, and at 38 in Detroit, while current wind chills, they are in the teens as you go into the northern portions of the lower peninsula. For us across the UP, most of us, if not all of us, are in the teens right now, and that will drop closer to below zero as we wake up tomorrow morning, heading out to school and to work. So as we take a look at our headlines, the snow decreases throughout the evening for us. Arctic air, it is back, and we're going to see temps drop a good maybe 20 to 30 degrees below average for this time of the year. And sun, it returns as we head closer to Thursday, as we'll see a lot of sunshine, high pressure beginning to build back in to the region, but temps remain on the chilly side. Not going to really help out with temps that much on Thursday, but eventually it will. We'll find ourselves back maybe even to the 30s as we head into the weekend. But here's a look at our current setup. Area of low pressure continues to work its way eastward. Behind that, here comes more of that Arctic air, and winds will pick up for us just a bit too. Not expecting strong gusty winds, but we'll see them probably gusting closer to 20 miles per hour at times. So not really 40, but still it will make things feel a little chilly out there as that Arctic air does push its way back into the region. And we'll have a slight chance of an afternoon flurry as we head throughout Wednesday. Your Futurecast model tonight, expecting that most of the moisture will be gone. Noticing some areas becoming partly cloudy at a time, and then as we head into Wednesday, more clouds build, maybe a slight chance of an afternoon flurry once again, but that will get out of here as we head into Wednesday night. More clear skies, allowing temperatures really to drop off well below zero for most of the upper peninsula, and we'll continue to be on the dry side even as we head into Thursday before Friday brings us a slight chance of light snow as well. Dropping down to -1 tonight as the snow leaves. Skies becoming partly cloudy as we get closer to the morning hours. Northwest winds at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Heading into Wednesday, partly cloudy with those isolated flurries. West-northwest winds at 10 to 20, so winds beginning to pick up, coming in from that west-northwesterly direction. Only a high of 4 in Ontonagon, back down to 11 in Crystal Falls. Lawrence, you'll be at 7 degrees. More of the teens in Escanaba and in Manistee, both at 14. Lower teens in Munising, and for us in Marquette will be at 7. Your bus stop forecast starting off chilly with -1 for your temperature. Northwest winds at 10 to 15. Time to bring out the heavy jackets for the kids again and make sure that they have the gloves and the mittens and everything else to protect their faces, their ears, and their hands. Your 7-day forecast will start to heat back up after Wednesday. Back into the lower teens on Thursday with lots of sun. Upper 20s heading into Friday and Saturday. Yes, some light snow is expected for us there, but don't forget to set your clocks 1 hour ahead so you won't be late for any of your engagements heading into Sunday morning. It's like, look at temperatures on Sunday, back in the the lower 30s, so finally getting above that freezing mark as it looks right now before cooling a little heading into Monday.